They are still accountable. I was supposedly the collateral damage of that, what Duterte has done. Who declared martial law in Mindanao and pulverized the entire Marawi? It was Duterte. Now they say he is good. Wow, he is good. But he is still being given the time to rule under the mandate as a government given to them. But they did not honor since 2013. So he declared martial law in Mindanao, and it was done in Russia. Do you think Vladimir Putin is not liable? They are superpowers. They say they are superpowers. They didn't know that I was just trying to find a way to validate their movement. Now they attack me. They suppress me.